Alright, so in this problem, I have 11 to the power of 9x plus 11 is equal to 9 to the power of 11. So I want to find the value of x here. So for my solution, first start with 11 to the power of 9x plus 11 is equal to 9 to the power of 11. Now if I take the log on both sides, I have log 11 to the power of 9x plus 11 is equal to log 9 to the power of 11. If I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is equal to b times log a. So I can move 9x plus 11 to the front, and I can move 11 to the front. So now I have 9x plus 11 times log 11 is equal to 11 times log 9. Now if I divide both sides by log 11, these two cancel out, and I have 9x plus 11 is equal to 11 times log 9 over log 11. And now log 9, this is equal to 0.9542, and log 11, this is equal to 1.0414. So now if I plug these values in for log 9 and log 11, I have 9x plus 11 is equal to 11 times 0.9542 over 1.0414. Now 0.9542 over 1.0414, that's going to equal 11 times 0.9163, which is equal to 9x plus 11 is equal to 10.0789. So I have this minus 11. So now I have 9x is equal to negative 0.9211, meaning x is equal to negative 0.1023. Alright, so in this problem, I have 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 901. So for my solution, first start with 9 to the power of 900 minus 9 to the power of 901. Then I rewrite 9 to the power of 901 as 9 to the power of 900 plus 1. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 9 to the power of 900 plus 1, that's going to equal 9 to the power of 900 times 9 to the power of 1. Now if I factor out 9 to the power of 900, I have 9 to the power of 900 times 1 minus 9 to the power of 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 9, which is equal to 9 to the power of 900 times negative 8. Now I can rewrite this as 9 to the power of 900 times 8 times negative 1. Now if I multiply negative 1 with 9 to the power of 900, I have negative 9 to the power of 900 times 8. Now 9, this is equal to 3 squared, so I have negative 3 squared to the power of 900 times 8. Now 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, so I have negative 3 squared to the power of 900 times 2 to the power of 3. So now this is the same thing as if I have something in form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So now this is the same thing as negative 3 to the power of 1800 times 2 to the power of 3. So this is my answer to this problem in its most simplified form. Alright, so in this problem I have m to the power of 3 plus m is equal to 350. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 350 on both sides. So these two cancel out, and now I have m to the power of 3 plus m minus 350 is equal to 0. Now, m to the power of 3 plus m minus 350, well, I can rewrite 350 here as negative 343 minus 7. So now I have m to the power of 3 minus 347 plus m minus 7 is equal to 0. Well, m to the power of 3 minus 347, this is the same thing as m to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3. And I have this plus m minus 7. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is the same thing as a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So in this case, a is m and b is 7. So I have m minus 7 times m squared plus 7m plus 7 squared. I have this plus m minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, 7 squared, this is the same thing as 49, so I have m minus 7 times m squared plus 7m plus 49 plus m minus 7 is equal to 0. Now if I factor out m minus 7, I have m minus 7 times m squared plus 7m plus 49 plus 1, which is equal to 50. So this is equal to 0. So now this gives me two equations. I have m minus 7 is equal to 0, and I have m squared plus 7m plus 50 is equal to 0. So m minus 7 equals 0. This is the same thing as m equals 7, so this is already one solution of m. And m squared plus 7m plus 50, you have to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is the same thing as negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared, which is 49, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 50. And if you notice, this is the same thing as the square root of 49 minus 200, which is going to be a negative number, meaning this won't work, and my only solution is m equals 7.
Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 7 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of n plus m, this is equal to a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So as you can see right here, we have 7 to the power of x plus 8. This is going to equal 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 8. And now this is equal to 8 to the power of x plus 7 is equal to 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 7 to the power of 8, as well as a to the power of x. So these two would cancel out, and on this side, these two would cancel out. So now we are left with 7 to the power of x over a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now 7 to the power of x over 8 to the power of x is the same thing as 7 over 8 to the power of x. And now this is equal to 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now we have log of 7 over 8 to the power of x is equal to log 8 to the power of 7 over 7 to the power of 8. And the power property of logarithms states that if we have a power for the logarithm, which in this case is x, we can actually move this to the front of the logarithm. So now this is actually going to be equal to x times log 7 over 8. And if we have something in the form log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. So log 7 over 8, this is going to equal x times log 7 minus log 8. Now this is equal to log 8 to the power of 7 minus log 7 to the power of 8. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 7 minus log 8. So now these two cancel out, and we are left with x is equal to 7 log 8 minus 8 log 7, because remember we're moving the exponent to the front of the logarithm, over log 7 minus log 8. Now, log 7 is actually equal to approximately 0.8451. And log 8, this is equal to approximately 0.9031. So if we plug these values in for x, we get x is equal to 7.5707. So this is our answer. And we can also write it like this. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's our answer.